Building your first 1,000 followers on TikTok can feel like a daunting task, but with the right strategies, you can achieve it more easily than you might think. First, it's essential to understand your target audience. Spend some time exploring the app, identifying trends, and observing what type of content resonates with users. This insight will guide your content creation and help you tailor your videos to appeal to your desired demographic. Next, consistency is key. Posting regularly keeps your audience engaged and encourages the TikTok algorithm to promote your content. Aim for at least 3 videos a week, but don't sacrifice quality for quantity. Each video should be entertaining, informative, or relatable, tapping into the emotions or interests of viewers. Use popular music and sounds to enhance your videos, as these elements can significantly boost visibility. Engagement is another crucial factor. Respond to comments on your videos and interact with other creators in your niche. This not only helps build a community around your content, but also increases the chances of your profile being discovered by new users. Collaborating with other TikTokers can expose your account to a broader audience, so seek out creators with similar interests and propose fun collaboration ideas. Utilize hashtags effectively to enhance discoverability. Research trending hashtags and incorporate them into your posts, but ensure they are relevant to your content. This strategy helps your videos appear in more feeds, attracting potential followers. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of authenticity. Show your personality and share your unique perspective. Users are drawn to genuine content, and being yourself can create a loyal following. With patience and persistence, your follower count will grow, and soon, you'll celebrate that first milestone of 1,000 followers.